Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Profit for the day is 15k. Even today I traded with 10 lots on Bank Nifty and my capital used was 1.5 lakhs. So net I made a profit of 10% on my deployed capital. So now let's get into chart and mark some important levels on the chart. This is previous day low, this is previous day high, and you will be able to see a couple of swing highs that I have marked. This is one of the swing high. Definitely market would be reversing from this location. This is another swing high, and I have marked couple of swing lows as well here. When market opened today, it almost opened flat and it was trying to inch higher and higher. We definitely knew this was a swing high and market would gonna reverse from here. I was waiting for market to take a reversal and we could see a CPR available here. Market was trying to reverse from this location, this previous day high as well, and it was trying to reverse. And let's see where was my entry, where was my exit, and where was my stop loss for the day. There are two trades which worked on my favor today. One is the long trade where I made 7k and another is a short trade where I made 8k. Let's first see where did I make this 8k, where was my entry, where was my exit, and where was my stop loss for this short entry. Let me go to chart and show you where did I make this entry. So when market opened flat today, market was trying to go higher and higher, and there is a previous day high here. So first 15 minutes candle itself covered previous day high. Was just waiting for market to take a reversal. When it came back, this was just a pullback. I was waiting almost till mid-afternoon today, and when this level broke, I was definitely knew that market would gonna reach till CPR. When this level, the low that it made on 10.5 candle, when this level was broken at 12 with volume, so this was my first entry on a short trade. This was my stop loss above this red candle. This was the entry, this was the stop loss above this red candle, and I did not wait till it reaches the CPR because sometimes Nifty had reached CPR by the time it came here. So I booked my target here on this candle. So that is how I made first profit on my short position. That is 8k. So now let's see where did I make this long trade. How did I make this 7,000 rupees on a long trade? This was on second half of the day. Let me go to chart and explain this one. So when market took a reversal from CPR, there was 8 EMA, 20 EMA and 35 EMA which were acting as resistances. Once it acted as if it is giving a breakout from 35 EMA, and I definitely knew it was gonna give a small pullback. Was waiting for the pullback and to do this level breakout. I was waiting for this level to break above this. This was my entry on this big candle with volume, and the stop loss was above this small tiny candle, and this was my entry on this swing high. When market is trying to reverse from CPR and when we have this previous day high and swing high, it's so confident and evident that market will gonna reach the swing high. So this was the place where I booked my target. That is how I made profit on my long trade. So this is a profit I made, one short trade and one long trade. That's how I was able to achieve my target for the day. My deployed capital is 1,50,000 and I was able to make 15%, which is 10% on the deployed capital. So that is all guys. Thank you for watching. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel.